Hi, this is Sam McKelvey with Mobile Commons, and I'm going to show you how to create an mData, which gives you the ability for a user to query by location. So to do that, we would go into our text messaging tab and our mData sub-tab. I'm going to click New mData, and this mData is a DMV locator. We have two choices of how we want to build our application. We can either upload a spreadsheet or use a web service. Most of us will just be uploading spreadsheets, so that's what we're going to do today. What happens if there are no results for the search? We couldn't find a DMV near you. Please call 311 for more information. We want to geocode the inputs and allow users to text their location. So we're going to limit it to 5 miles since we're here in New York and just return the one closest result. We're not going to be using a web service. And then how do users interact with our service? They can text a keyword and a search term. If they don't provide a search term, what response should they get? Instead of that generic one, I'm going to say reply with your zip code to find the nearest DMV. And then I'll click create. I want to upload my database, so I'll click on that link. Just to show you what my database looks like, there's a sample CSV here. It just has an input and an output column. The input is the address of the DMV, and the output is the text message that the user will get. So if the user texts in a zip code near this input address, they'll get this text message. If they text a zip code near this input address, they'll get this message, and so on. I'll click Choose File, find my DMV mData. Oops, I chose the Excel learning moment. It's got to be a CSV. I'll click Preview Entries. That looks good. Create mData, and then our mData is active. If we want to add this into a message flow, I just need to find the message that I want to trigger the mData. That's here in my fans campaign and my DMV opt-in path. This could be in an opt-in path or in a broadcast. So in this opt-in path, the user texts in DMV. They get a text back that says, "Thanks for joining, reply with your zip to find the closest DMV." And we want their reply to trigger that mData. Their reply is the search term. So I'll click Edit Conversation. What do you want to do? Trigger an mData. And then I'm going to find my DMV locator mData. And I'll click Save. And now when the person replies, it'll be the search term. And that is how you create an mData in Mobile Commons and add it to your message flow.